Kalong aka Babu Jingmai ka Northeast Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Sciences lani ka Neigrihms kabalong tangmaka ka Super Specialty Hospital ha ka jala bakan dono yabon ki doktor. Umentri katanat ka koi ka KHIA jong ka jalao James ke sangma ulai thu baka SORKAR jala ka rai kran sani pa lor kani ka jingduna bar ka kirmen ba shen kan sala ban pinbej ya kani ka jinge. Laban kedo hang ni ba arphongut ki doktor na Neigrihms ken mi no but later no shika All India Institute of Medical Sciences lani ka AIMS ka badan ha Guwahati.
So Neigrihms director himself came and addressed this issue, and he's also extremely very concerned, and I'm very thankful to Neigrihms director for that. So we have taken up this matter, and even Chief Minister at his level also has taken up this matter with the government of India. But the problem is something that all of us need to sit down and discuss this, and the solution is one wherein everyone will have to come together. The government of India, the state government will have to come together and sit across the drawing board and resolve this issue.